students, we already seen the medians of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the centroid and it is denoted by capital letter G. For all types of triangles, the location of centroid G is in the interior of the triangles. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Now today we are going to learn the subunit, that is practice set 4.1. Now practice set 4.1, first example is in triangle LMN. In triangle LMN, timber dash 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 is an altitude. Which is altitude and which is median here? Now, which is altitude? Now, LX is the altitude. LX is the altitude and LY is the median. What is the specification for median? Median is the segment which drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, middle of the opposite side. This is the midpoint of the opposite side. Means LY is the median. Segment LY is the median and segment LX is the altitude. Segment LX is the altitude. Altitude is also from the vertex which is on opposite side, which is perpendicular to the opposite side, that is the altitude. Now here in the blank space, segment LX is word and in the here segment LY is the median. Now third question, draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. STV is the obtuse angle. Draw its medians and show centroid. Now how medians can be drawn, you know. You take the midpoint of each side and that procedure you already know how midpoint can be find out. Now this is the midpoint and draw to the opposite vertex a segment and that segment is nothing but the median. Now PV is the segment which is a median, on this ST side. Now segment QS, midpoint of this side is Q and draw from that point to the opposite vertex, that is the segment QS is a median. Now RT, third segment is RT, which is also a median. Now segment PV, RT and QS are the medians and their point of concurrence is called centroid, which is denoted by the letter G. Now fifth question, draw a right angle triangle XYZ, draw its median and show the point of concurrence by G. Now same procedure is here. Draw the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle XYZ. Right angle is at point Y. Now draw the medians on each side with from opposite vertex. Now XYZ. Suppose P is the midpoint and PZ is the segment which is median drawn from this opposite vertex on the XY side. Now that's why you first find out the midpoint. Now from this midpoint PZ is the segment which is the median. Now on this side find out the midpoint of this segment. You know that procedure. Midpoint Q is the point and draw the segment on vertex X. XQ is the median. Now from third side R is the midpoint and from this midpoint you draw segment on this vertex. Now XQ, then YR, then ZP are the segments, are the medians and their point of concurrence is G, which is called centroid. Now seventh question, fill in the blanks. Point G is a centroid of triangle ABC. Now this is the point. Same procedure, you find out the midpoints of each side and draw the segments on opposite vertex. You get the centroid which is concurrent and that centroid divides the segment to S1. Now if length of RG is equal to suppose 2.5, then length of GC is equal to dash dash dash. Length of GC we have to find out. Suppose this RG is 2.5. Is RG 2.5, which is centroid divided segment 2:1 in this ratio. Now this is 2.5. How much is this? Double of this 2.5. Double of this 2.5 means 5 units here. Now 5 is the answer here. Now second point, if length of BG is given 6. Length of BG is given 6. If length of BG is 6, then length of BQ, we have to find out this. Now length of BG is half of the BG. Means if BG is 6, GQ is BQ, total BQ we have to find out here. Now this is BG is 6 and BQ is 3. 6 plus 3, 9. BQ is 9. And last, if length of AP is equal to 6, length of AP is equal to 6, total segment is 6, then length of AG, length of AG and length of GP we have to find out. GP total is 6. Now they divide 2:1 ratio, therefore total is 6. This is, if this is 2, this distance is 4. 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6, means here AG is equal to 4 units and GP is equal to, length of GP is 2. Now in this way you can solve the practice set 4.1. Now remaining examples you solve at home. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.